Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Sharedrop in a modern browser on both devices. This uses WebRTC for direct transfers. Give the page permission prompts if asked for device discovery, but understand file data flows peer-to-peer. Next, set a clear name on each device so you can identify recipients. Once both devices appear as icons on screen, you're ready to start. Drag a file onto the target icon or click a device to open the file selector and pick what to send. You now execute the transfer by dragging files to the recipient icon or clicking it to choose items. Sharedrop establishes a direct WebRTC data channel so files stream device to device. Monitor the progress bar and speed. If a file is large, the transfer may take minutes depending on Wi-Fi. If you have many small files or folders, compress to a single zip to reduce overhead and preserve folders. Make sure devices remain awake and stay on the same network until the transfer. You finish by having the recipient accept the transfer and save the file to a chosen folder. Check the displayed size and open a small piece to verify integrity. If you want confidence, compute a checksum on both devices to confirm exact match. If the transfer fails or devices don't see each other, make sure both are on the same network, temporarily disable VPNs or restrictive firewalls, refresh Sharedrop, or try another browser. These steps resolve most connectivity issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.